If you think modern ocean predators are terrifying, wait until you discover the prehistoric marine monsters that ruled ancient seas and made today most feared sharks look like harmless goldfish swimming in a fishbowl. The ocean predators that existed millions of years ago were so massive, so intelligent, and so perfectly designed for killing that they would hunt and devour entire pods of modern whales as easily as a shark catches a small fish today. Stay with me because what I reveal about these ancient ocean rulers will show you that our current oceans are actually the safest they have ever been in Earth's entire history. Imagine if you could travel back 60 million years and witness the ocean world that existed when dinosaurs ruled the land. Because the marine predators of that era would make Jaws look like a children's movie about cute sea creatures. The megalodon shark, the most famous prehistoric ocean predator, grew to lengths of 80 feet and had jaws that could swallow a great white shark whole without the great white even touching the sides of the megalodon mouth. But megalodon was not even the most terrifying predator in prehistoric oceans, just the most well-known because of movies and documentaries that have made it a household name. The true rulers of ancient seas were marine reptiles that combined the size of whales with the hunting instincts of crocodiles and the intelligence of dolphins, creating ocean predators that had no weaknesses and no competition for their position at the top of marine food chains. Leedsich was a prehistoric fish that grew to over 55 feet in length and had bone-crushing jaws that could snap a modern great white shark in half with a single bite. This massive fish was not a slow-moving filter feeder like modern whale sharks, but rather an active predator that hunted other large marine animals using speed and power that would terrify any modern ocean creature. Leedsich could swim faster than modern dolphins while being larger than modern whales, making it the ultimate combination of size, speed, and predatory capability that no modern marine animal can match. But even Leedsich would have been prey for Leviathan melville, a prehistoric sperm whale with teeth over a foot long that was specifically designed to hunt and kill other whales. Leviathan was the same size as modern sperm whales, but had the jaws and teeth of a massive crocodile, making it capable of hunting the largest marine animals of its time, including other whales, giant sharks, and massive sea turtles. Modern sperm whales eat squid and small fish, but their prehistoric ancestor, Leviathan, actively hunted creatures the size of modern blue whales. Have you ever wondered what it would be like if modern ocean predators had to compete with the massive prehistoric marine monsters that ruled ancient seas? Comment below about which modern ocean animal you think would have the best chance of surviving in prehistoric oceans, because most of today's marine predators would be completely helpless against ancient ocean rulers. The most terrifying aspect of prehistoric ocean predators was not just their size, but their intelligence and hunting strategies that were far more sophisticated than anything modern marine predators use today. Prehistoric marine reptiles like Mosasaurus used pack hunting techniques to take down prey much larger than themselves, coordinating attacks with mathematical precision that required intelligence levels that modern marine predators do not possess. These ancient hunters could plan ambushes, execute complex attack patterns, and use environmental features to trap and kill prey using strategies that would challenge modern military tactical planning. Prehistoric ocean predators also had sensory capabilities that far exceeded anything found in modern marine animals, including electromagnetic sensing that could detect prey from miles away and pressure-sensitive organs that could track underwater movements with accuracy that modern sonar systems cannot match. Ancient marine predators could hunt effectively in complete darkness, track wounded prey across entire ocean basins, and detect healthy prey from sick or injured animals using biological sensors that gave them hunting advantages no modern predator possesses. The fossil evidence shows that prehistoric ocean predators regularly engaged in battles with other massive predators that would dwarf any modern predator interactions, with fossil remains showing bite marks from conflicts between creatures that were each larger than modern blue whales. These ancient predator battles involved animals with bone-crushing bite forces that exceeded anything found in nature today, using weapons like 6-inch teeth, razor-sharp claws, and armored hides that made them nearly indestructible in combat with other prehistoric predators. Modern ocean predator interactions like great white sharks competing with orcas seem insignificant compared to the massive prehistoric predator wars that shaped ancient marine ecosystems through conflict between creatures that were each capable of dominating entire ocean regions. The extinction of prehistoric ocean predators was one of the most significant events in marine evolution because it removed the selection pressure that had been driving the evolution of defensive capabilities in marine prey animals for millions of years. Modern marine animals evolved in oceans without massive predators, making them relatively defenseless compared to the heavily armored, fast-swimming, and highly alert prey animals that survived in prehistoric oceans surrounded by massive predators. This means that modern ocean ecosystems are actually much gentler and safer environments than the prehistoric oceans, where every marine animal had to be prepared to defend against predators that were larger and more dangerous than anything that exists today. Understanding the true scale and capabilities of prehistoric ocean predators puts modern marine conservation efforts into perspective, as we are working to protect ocean ecosystems that are already operating at a much reduced level of predator pressure compared to the ancient marine systems that supported massive predator populations for millions of years. The oceans that modern marine animals inhabit are like a peaceful park compared to the prehistoric marine battlefields where massive predators competed for dominance using size, intelligence, and hunting capabilities that no modern marine predator can approach. Prehistoric ocean predators represent the peak of marine predator evolution, having reached sizes, capabilities, and hunting efficiencies that have never been matched by any modern marine animals, and likely never will be matched again due to the environmental changes that make it impossible for such massive predators to evolve in current ocean conditions. Subscribe and hit the notification bell, because next week I am taking you on a journey through the prehistoric ocean food chain to show you how ancient marine ecosystems support